Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto G51, and today I would like to show you how you can pick font style on this device. First of all, go into settings and tap on display. Now choose advanced and click on styles. Over here, tap on get started. Choose theme 1 over here and pick perfect font style. I will go with that one. After that, you need to select next after each step. Name your font over here. I will go with font 1. Choose next and tap on apply. And now, as you can see, style of my font has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!